This is easily one of the most frequently made recipes in my kitchen because there are so many nights, more than I'd like to admit, when my sweet tooth strikes and I need a cookie. But I don't want to go to the store, and I'm definitely not about to bust out my mixer and make a whole batch. So that's where this little mini skillet cookie comes in. It's made with melted butter, so you don't need to cream it, which means you don't need a mixer. And if you're feeling extra fancy, you can even brown the butter, which is never a bad idea. Then you just mix in all the usual chocolate chip cookie ingredients, except just an egg yolk rather than the whole egg, because it gets too cakey and we want to keep this nice and dense and chewy like a proper CCC should be. If you really want to go nuts, you can add a scoop of ice cream or some homemade salted caramel sauce, but the reality is more often than not, I'm just going right in with a spoon. I don't even wait for it to cool down like I insist that you do in the recipe, so just don't tell anyone, okay?